I'm going to show you how to cook bacon and eggs dead quick, dead simple, using a Ninja. So let's jump straight into this.
One Pizza 2 Runny cooking and unboxing videos.
Welcome back to the channel everyone, and thanks for joining me. And as I've just said, I'm going to be showing you how to cook bacon and eggs using the Ninja. And today the Ninja out of my selection that I've chosen is the Health Grill Pro. And one of the reasons for this is this particular grill will cook with the lid open, and as you'll see it has the solid plancher plate as well. So we're going to be using the solid plancher plate, and it's dead quick and easy, and for fry ups at a weekend, yeah, for a quick easy tea, this is dead easy. And what I've done is I've got some streaky bacon and I've got some smoked back bacon as well, and I've also got some eggs, and I've got some vegetable oil. Tell me in the comments, have you tried cooking on one of these? Let me know how you do it. Is it the same as I'm about to show you? And obviously don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hitting that notifications bell for when I release new content so you don't miss a thing. Right, we're going to jump straight into this one, and the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to switch the Ninja on. Okay, so I'm going to press the power button, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go flat plate. Okay, and I'm going to, it's at 200 degrees, which is great for 30 minutes. I'm going to leave it at that. Okay, and we're going to press go, and it's going to do the usual Ninja preheat. So I'm going to leave the lid down for now while it's preheating. Once it's preheated, I'm going to lift the lid. I'm going to put some bacon on. I'm really looking forward to a bit of streaky bacon. What's your preference, streaky or fat bacon? Let me know. I know what the Americans are going to like. They're liking the streaky bacon all the time. So let me know. So the Ninja's now saying add food. So I'm going to open the lid. And it's starting to heat up nicely. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little drip of oil onto the plate. And with a bit of kitchen roll, I'm just going to wire that round. Not so we've got too much oil, but just so it's all nicely coated. And I'm just gonna shut the lid on this. I'm just gonna give it another minute or so just to finish heating up. Okay, so the difference between this and the standard Ninja grill is you'll see that the timer is still counting down, and the reason being, although the fan and the heating element in the top is no longer on, the heating element at the bottom is still on, and it's still heating this plate at the bottom. So we're going to go on with some bacon. So let's do some streaky bacon. And you should start to hear it sizzle in a sec. I'm going to go on with some back bacon. Get 4 pieces on. 4 of each. Okay, now what I could do is I could close this lid now, and it'd start the fan. So I'm just using my little finger there just to close the lid that hasn't touched the bacon. Or you can leave it up and the flat plate will do its job. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close this lid down just for 2 seconds, just while I go and wash my hands, and then I'll be back. It's starting to sizzle nicely. It's only been going a couple of minutes. So I am just going to shut this lid just to get this bacon going again. Once it's nearly cooked, I'll then open it and I'll show you about how I'm going to do the eggs. Right, let's take another look. Looking good. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn the streaky bacon over. And that bacon. And we'll close that just for a little bit longer before we then cook the eggs. Right, this is smelling great now, so let's open it up. Oh yeah, look at that. Streaky bacon, looking really good. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to move the bacon over a bit and then make space for the eggs. I'm just going to use a flat sort of spatula just to clear any of the bacon where it's stuck, just because I don't want the eggs to stick. Okay, like that. And now I can go on with the eggs. Four eggs, do you reckon? Yeah, let's go with 4. Really good. Taking one of these camping, anyone done that before? Check out my video where I use an all powers battery backup unit to cook a bacon sandwich using the Ninja Dual Zone in a field. Okay, so it's just telling us to flip the food. Obviously we don't need to do that just because it's halfway through the time. And then if you do want to just sort of do the top of the eggs as well, instead of just waiting for the heat from the bottom of the plate, you can obviously shut the lid as well. I think I'm just going to let the bottom of the plate do the work now, just to finish it off nicely. Then, while we're thinking of that and finishing things off nicely, I love bacon and eggs with these oven bottoms. So Sheldon's oven bottoms, barm cakes or cobs or bread cakes, whatever you decide to call them. I love these. They used to be massive. They were a lot smaller than they used to be, but I still like them. So here's one of the Ninja knives, bread knife. Just to cut through. Ready for some of these. What do you like on yours? I like ketchup. You could fry these off as well, add butter, do what you like, but I just like ketchup on it. So while these eggs are almost there, I'm just going to get some of this bacon and put it on. I'm going to go a couple of pieces of the normal bacon, the back bacon, and I'm going to go a couple of pieces of the streaky bacon. Oh, look at that. And then onto that, I'm going to go with a couple of eggs. good using this because the eggs tend not to stick and you end up with really nice eggs. Right, I'm happy that they are all cooked, just as I like them. Nice and runny, the eggs. I'm just going to switch that off. Back bacon, streaky bacon and 2 runny eggs. All done in the Ninja, ironically, health grill. And this is the Pro model using the plancha plate. Right, let's have a little taste. Right, put the lids on properly and then let's see if we end up with an egg banjo. Oh yeah. Egg banjo. It drips down, you hold it out and go, oh no. Ding 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 ding. Wow. Mmm. That superb. Whatever the time of day it is, you can't beat bacon and egg sandwich. Make sure you head over to the comments, let me know, what do you call a cob? What would you have sauce wise? Would you have butter, margarine or without? And make sure you are heading over to Ninja Foodie World as well, joining me on my Facebook page where you can pick up loads of hints and tips from all the members on there. We're 10,000 and growing strong. It's a great community, so I'd love to see you over there. And make sure you are hitting that subscribe bell as well. I'd much appreciate it. Anyway, until next time, thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you again very soon.
One pizza too many.